Hello guys, it's me Hasa with WTI and I love doing my makeup, and as you can see right now I'm wearing this amazing eyeliner by NYX, and I want to show you everything it can do for you and how your makeup can look even more professional than it already looks. This is the Epic Ink Eyeliner by NYX Professional Makeup. This one's the waterproof version and vegan formula, which is something I appreciate a lot. The pen itself or the container is very easy to hold. It's not too thick, not too thin, and the strokes are really easy to control. This is a mess-free eyeliner. You can hold it and have a lot of control of what you're doing to either do a thick or thin line depending on what look you're looking to get. And I love this. So if you guys want to take your makeup looks to the next level, I think this eyeliner is the one you should get. I have gotten it 5 times already. I am actually attached to it, and I think you could become really attached to it too once you try it. And yes, I just love it, but that's just my point of view.